All right, the Zippo truck stopped by early today. Let's see what he dropped off. All right, now this one comes in the normal black box, and the label on this one says Skull Tools Spanner, but actually that label's incorrect. You can see by the sticker on this, it's got tools but no spanner, just 2 screwdrivers and a hammer, and the red-eyed Zippo skull. And this one is on a brushed chrome finish. Really good sound. This one was made in J of 14, which I think is October. Steel insert. Sparks and lights up really nice. So that is another skull for my collection. I've got quite a few now. Skull with tools. And I got an extra in this package. They sent me a lighter pouch, genuine leather, for Zippo lighters. Let's take a look at it. So it's got a belt loop, made in the USA, of course. Snap closure. These are nice, but if you use these things, you got to be careful of the opposite side of this snap on the inside. If you put your Zippo on the inside of this and you close it, when you push against that snap, it will scratch the Zippo, so you need to put a piece of tape over that or something. But I never use these. This is just a nice extra they sent me. The Zippo leather pouch. It's pretty nice. So there it is, another skull Zippo. And I do need more cowbell today. Knuckle bump.